Hello guys, so today is Saturday, okay? September 13, 2025. Nandito kami sa Memorial Herman. Manonood kami ng concert ni Leia sa Longga. Ayan, sa park kami. Dito, pipiknik. Ibang iba talaga compared last week nung Japan Festival. Hindi ka makakaabot dito. Sinasara na dahil sobrang daming tao. Pero yan, may mga parking pa. We're still early.
8.
Yeah, official merchandise. Okay. Here, lots of iron here. What do you want? Nakita kami ng spot. First time ko umattend ng concert na 2 hours before. Dito na yung magko-concert eh. First time eh. Usually late dumadating pero to wala pa. Nagpa-practice pa si Leia. Pero yan, abangan hanap na ng spot dito. Time check, it's 6:31, so around 30 minutes the start of the concert, and the place is already full of people. Almost 7 p.m. Line goes all the way over there. It's about to start and they're about to give the free tickets. They open the ticketing at 7. The concert is free, you just have to stand in line. Look, we're already set up over there. We're already set up. Wow. The hill is already filled with people. Time check 7. Apparently the concert's not 7. How many people present? Oh wow! Dami dito.
Come with me and you'll be
Galing guys, nakigalang ako dito habang kumakanta si Leia doon.
think I'll do my dance, I'll make them drink.
Okay, first set is done. First set is done. Woo! Ching. Wow. No? This place is packed. Tayo ka, stretch. Ay, dami ng tao.
Nahilo.
Dami ng tao. Jay, dapat sa ilaw tayo. Yan.
my favorite. Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything?
Everybody's packing up. We need to pack our stuff. Okay, time to go. Clean as you go. Okay. Wow. There's a lot of people. This concert is done. Everybody's leaving. Some people are still waiting for Leia. And look at the cars leaving Herman Park. Pauwi na kami. Inabangan ng misis ko si Leia dun sa, sa labasan. Is that a car? I think that's a car. Ayan. Inabangan niya. Tapos may mga iba rin nag-aabang. Tapos may dumating na malaking black van sa kabilang side. Sa backdoor pala dumaan si Leia. Mautak, mautak. Wala, hindi talaga umiiwas talaga eh. Okay lang yan. Siyempre para sa security. Time check, 10:30 na. Time to go home. See you next time. Bye.